Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys on how to make banana buns. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I made this, continue watching. So the first thing I'll be doing is to sift the flour. So this is all-purpose flour. I'll be sifting 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm done sifting the flour. Here I have 1.5 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1.5 tablespoon milk flavor powdered, half teaspoon grounded nutmeg, grated nutmeg rather, and half tablespoon baking powder with 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Alright, so I'll be mixing everything together. And here I have 2 tablespoons margarine, and I'll be rubbing the margarine in the flour. So this is how it will look like after rubbing the margarine in the flour. You guys are seeing it. So the next step is our banana. We're going to be peeling our banana. Remember, I'm making banana buns. So I'm using 2 medium ripe banana. So I'll be mashing the banana. So make sure you mash the banana very well. So I'm done with mashing the banana. Hope you guys are seeing how it looks like. So I'll be pouring in the mashed banana in the flour, and I'll be mixing till well incorporated. So here I have 150 ml water, and I'll be adding it in bits, like 2 times. So continue to knead till you get a non-sticky dough. So the next step is to mold our buns dough, as you guys can see. This recipe measurement will give us a crunchy buns. Alright, so heat up the oil and start frying the buns. Please fry on low heat to enable it cook well inside. Very important, fry on low heat to enable it cook well inside. So guys, it's simple and easy recipe to make. This is banana buns, so delicious, so delicious. Trust banana flavor. So this is it. It's almost done. It's done when it's brown, golden brown. So I'm transferring into a paper towel to drain excess oil. Hope you guys are seeing this. So yummy, guys. Yum 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 yum. Guys, make sure you try out this recipe. You're going to love it. This recipe was so delicious. So delicious, guys. Make sure you try it out and leave a comment in the comment section. Wow. Enjoy. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you. Bye bye.